You guys, like, I'm dead serious. I get the best downloads when I'm driving. So, woe is me because you guys don't like it, but it don't matter. This is not about what other people like. Listen, this is important for somebody. It's specific. This is more than just one person. This is like everybody. You being who you are as an individual, right? You just have a good heart. You got love to give still. The world ain't fully taken your heart and just hardened it to the core, right? You still have that just natural way of giving and stopping when somebody needs help. You're not filming anybody on your phone. You are actually helping. Instincts. You see what I'm saying? You alone don't even realize how rare it is, and how I know that kind of posture can be painful to bear in this world sometimes. But you having that is so important for the kingdom. You know why? Because it's giving other people hope. It's teaching other people. This is what we do, guys. We got to be more united. That's why Christ's commands fell so into an alignment with what my heart is like. Love thy neighbor like thy love thyself. That is just something that we all need to practice. No, instead, it's me versus neighbor all over the internet. I guess Amazon's going to back out. Amazon is another reason that fucking asshole. I'm sorry, you guys. Lord help me. Well, I rebuke that, right? Same thing I tell you guys not to do. Road raging, right? Well, he almost hit me. I mean, I should have let him. Would have helped me with my fender that I got. I don't know how this even happens, but you being who you are is giving other people hope, and it's giving other people they're learning. It's not to say we don't have ego, guys. The pride in us has been stripped years ago, right? Just with your life alone, but you still had that ability to just, you knew you wasn't going to let it harden your heart. I feel the Spirit's so strong right now. It's intense. And you don't realize how special you are and important you are. And every step you take, every breath you take, if let's say if there's a traffic jam, or if anything that is happening right now with your 2 feet and your 2 hands are literally helping. Just you existing. Okay? Don't ever doubt the fact that God, yeah, He chose you. And yeah, you have a mission here. And yeah, you may not be blemish free, and your past might look like Joseph's, you know, or Paul. Paul was a murderer. He murdered Christians. You know what I mean? And God cleaned him up. So don't ever discredit yourself because you've always been kicked around in the Spirit. Now that we're gaining the wisdom, we're not being destroyed for lack of knowledge anymore. Those that have ears, let them hear. This is, you know, for the body. And for people that don't even know they're in the body. And I know that's kind of like the strategy that the Most High, all praise is the Most High, because this wasn't my deal. You know what I mean? In this light here, you know, you could do whatever you needed to do. You wanted to put a little lipstick, figure out the Amazon package to return, because it's literally like 10 minutes. And then the roads are complete crap. Where's our money going? Where's our tax dollars going? To Ukraine? Or wherever? Meanwhile, we're starving out. Listen, I'm telling you right here, right now, when we go into famine, do you think Ukraine, you think Russia, you think they're going to help us? No. And all the other countries in between, they depend on us. They look to us as an example, right? A democracy. And we are too complacent. Glory to God for this message, because I didn't even mean to go here, but it needs to be talked about in every way, shape, or form. We have to unite, okay? We have to unite. Those that have ears, let them hear. Anybody else can, when they come to steal your house, you're going to have to move. Unless they just take us out. Or if you guys can't see it, then you're not going to be you're going to be you're part of the problem. I'm sorry. I love you guys, but you guys are so easily offended anymore. And it's like, when did we become such wimps as far as like who we are as a nation? I'm not talking, this isn't patriotism, this isn't left or right, this is about what's right and wrong and what we stand. This is our soil, our home. Our ancestors have brutally been taken out to maintain it, and here we're just gonna let them move right on in because of the ones in the White House. You see what I'm saying? We've been sold out from the inside out due to greed. So when all this, and it's gonna be judgment, and that's what makes it even scarier, is that the Most High is calling for it due to us. This place wouldn't even. It'd already been annihilated if it wasn't for us on this soil. Trust and believe that. The whore of Babylon will fall.